In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test the ad privacy feature in Chrome, step by step, so you can see exactly what Chrome is tracking and how those ad controls work. This is a great way to check your ad privacy settings, understand your browsing-based ad topics, and review the signals Chrome uses for personalized advertising. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, then click into the address bar at the top and type Chrome, Settings, Ad Privacy, exactly as shown. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to Chrome's native ad privacy settings page, where you can review and manage the advertising-related preferences connected to your browser profile. Once the page loads, you'll see several options related to ad privacy. The first section you want to test is Ad Topics. Click on Add Topics to open the live generated list of subject categories Chrome has assigned to you. These topics are based on your browsing activity over the last 4 weeks, so this is where you can see the kinds of interests Chrome thinks you have. If you want, you can also block specific categories here, which is useful if you do not want certain topics associated with your profile. Now take a moment to review the list carefully. This part is especially helpful if you want to understand how Chrome is grouping your activity for ad personalization. You may see categories that match things you've recently searched for, visited, or spent time on. If you want to test how the feature responds, you can block one or more topics and then go back to the main screen to see how your preferences are updated. Next, go back to the previous page and click Site Suggested Ads. This section shows which specific platforms have registered your interest in order to serve retargeted promotions. In other words, it helps you see how websites and ad systems may be using your browsing behavior to show you ads later on. If you're testing Chrome's ad privacy tools, this is one of the most important sections to check because it shows how site-level ad suggestions are being handled. Again, review the list and see which sites appear here. If the goal is to understand how Chrome manages personalized ad suggestions, this section gives you a clearer picture of the retargeting layer. It's also a useful place to revisit if you want to compare changes after adjusting your settings or clearing browsing activity. After that, go back once more and click Add Measurement. This option lets you view or toggle the system that shares anonymous, aggregated telemetry data with web apps so they can judge ad performance. This is the part that helps advertisers measure whether campaigns are working without exposing your personal identity directly. If you want to test the feature, pay attention to whether it's enabled or disabled and decide whether you want Chrome to allow that kind of measurement data. Take a few seconds to inspect the setting and understand what it does. A lot of users skip this part, but it's actually very important if you want a full picture of how Chrome handles privacy around ad tracking and reporting. By checking ad measurement, you're not just looking at ads you may see, you're also reviewing how performance data may be shared in the background. And that's how you test the ad privacy feature in Chrome. You've now seen where to find the native ad privacy settings, how to check ad topics, how to review site-suggested ads, and how to inspect ad measurement. If you want to keep learning simple browser tips like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.